guys, Portia here, and today I want to share with you all how to use Canva to create glitter fonts. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Starting with a blank canvas, I am going to go down to apps, and here's a place in Canva where you can find different applications that will help you to enhance your designs. And what we are looking for today is called Font Frame. And what this honestly does is allows you to pick out a font and add a background to it. And for the purpose of our example, today we're going to use glitter as the background. So I am going to keep this real simple, y'all, and I'm going to just say glitter. And we are going to scroll till we get back to elements. And you see here, I have already used some glitter backgrounds. So all you literally have to type in here is glitter background. And there are a lot of options that are going to come up. And let's use this one just because it has a lot of color in it. We are going to go ahead and scroll back down till we get to font frame. So once you use it, it becomes a part of your toolbox, and you can like delete it from here if you want to, but this is just a way to get to it quickly. So we'll go back in there, and what we are going to do is say use selected image. So now you see that the image that we picked out is in this preview box here, and it is now the background for our actual word or for our font that we selected. Now we are on Robic right now. If we decided that we wanted something a little bit more fancier, so let's look for a cursive, guys. We got Pacifico here. Now I think that the border here is a little bit thick, so let's change that. So you can take it all away altogether, or you can make it as thick as you like. So that's super thick. And then we got, you know, somewhere here in the middle. The other thing that you can adjust is the spacing. So you can move your letters to be out further, or you can smush them all together. Of course, we don't want to do that because now it's not legible, but we can do that. So say for instance, we want to change this font to something, I guess, a little bit more bolder, right? And then we are going to use all caps for glitter. The other thing is that we can also adjust the letter spacing, because with cursive, you want the letter spacing to be a little bit closer together. But with the regular font, you want it to be a little further apart, and you can make all of those different adjustments. So once you made the adjustments that you like, you can literally say add to design, and we now have our glitter font here that we made to our own specifications. Now I want to show you guys this. Canva does have glitter fonts, and I was able to search this in Canva. So if I ungroup this, you can see I pulled in each letter and I had to line each one up and shape each one. And guys, that just was not fun. So this is going to be way easier. And I think I did this multiple times because I was like, you know, giving a design to a client. So you just wanted to make sure that they had a few different options. But again, every single time I used the glitter font here, I picked it out one by one. Had I known what I know now, I would have been able to use font frame to get the letters exactly how I wanted them, and then pretty much go from there. So the other piece, once you get your letters on your canvas, you are able to edit them, and you can of course like use different filters on there, but in this case I don't think we're interested in using filters, but we can add a drop shadow there, a backdrop if you wanted to. Let's see, what does glow look like? Glow may look okay, maybe different color, a thinner border frame. You know, the things you could do with this is pretty much endless, and you can like really have a lot of fun to personalize your own images. And guys, the other thing, let's see, if we just say, okay, we'll leave hello world there. Let me do hello So the other thing here I want to talk about is you are able to, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, is do the line spacing. So depending upon your font, you may want those lines closer together, or you may want to separate them out. So let's go ahead and change the glitter that we have here to something different. We'll pick that one. We'll go back in to font frame. And then we will say use selected image. And then we're going to delete this because we no longer need it. Put it out the way. And so let's say add to design. And then once again, we can change this to cursive or any kind of font really that we want. But yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you all how to create your own glitter fonts and make all the different adjustments that you want to in Canva to help enhance your designs. Whether it's like sublimation, it is going to be an invitation, DTF, you know, pretty much the applications are endless. So if you got any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or guys just plain old entertaining, could you give it a thumbs up? But as always, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.